to Harimau Amphitheater. My name is Dika. In this presentation, we will present to you the tale of Bali Tiger. Selamat pagi semua. Selamat datang di Harimau Amphitheater. Dalam presentasi ini, Anda akan menyaksikan sepenggal kisah harimau yang pernah ada di Pulau Bali. Dalam cerita hidup Bali, harimau melambangkan karisma dan kekuatan tanpa batas. Sama halnya seperti Dewi Durga. Ladies and gentlemen, now experience the Balinese Hindu legends of the tiger as Vahana or vehicle which carries the goddess Durga. Dewi Durga merupakan sakti Dewa Siwa dengan kekuatan maha dahsyat yang mengendarai harimau. Kekuatan tersebut dipercaya untuk melindungi kebajikan dan menghancurkan kejahatan. Goddess Durga is seen riding a tiger, an indication that she possesses power and uses that power to protect virtue and destroy evil. Pada kebudayaan Bali, harimau dalam dongeng. Pada presentasi ini, Anda akan menyaksikan keahlian dan sedikit cerita harimau di masa lalu. This is a story about our tigers, about their skills, their abilities, and their history. Let's get a better understanding and awareness of this big cat. Well, ladies and gentlemen, now please have a look to the left side of the stage to see the tiger in action. Hunting is the key to the tiger's survival, and they prefer to hunt alone and by ambush. Tigers are fast runners. They achieve short periods of 60 kilometers per hour, but cannot chase fast prey like deer for long distances. When the tiger is close enough, it springs from cover, killing the prey with a bite to the neck. Harimau mampu berlari hingga 60 km per jam, namun dalam jarak tempuh yang pendek. Sehingga sulit bagi harimau untuk mengejar mangsa yang berlari cepat, seperti rusa. Although tigers favor killing using their 10 cm teeth, but sometimes they also use their paws. Tigers' hind legs are longer than its front, which allow them to jump powerfully. So well developed are the muscles and ligaments that the tigers can jump some 10 meters in one leap. Kaki belakang harimau lebih panjang dibandingkan kaki depannya. Dengan otot serta persendian mereka yang kuat, memungkinkan harimau untuk melompat sejauh 10 meter dalam sekali lompatan. Tigers usually hunt in the late afternoon or at night for large prey, like wolves, deer, sometimes monkeys, and even frogs. Harimau biasanya berburu pada sore hingga malam hari. Mangsa harimau bervariasi mulai dari babi hutan, rusa, hingga primata. Tigers have been known to eat up to 27 kilograms of meat in one night. But more often, they consume about 6 kilograms of meat during a meal. Harimau mampu menghabiskan sekitar 27 kilogram daging dalam satu malam. Meskipun sebenarnya mereka hanya membutuhkan sekitar 6 kilogram daging per hari. The tiger, Panthera tigris, is the largest of cat species in the world, and it can weigh up to 300 kilograms. Well, everyone, do you know that the tigers can climb trees? Tigers can readily climb trees and are known to chase monkeys up into the tree in an effort to catch food. Curved claws enable cats to grasp and hold large prey. It also climbs trees at first. However, it's difficult for the tiger to climb back down the tree. Therefore, they either crawl backwards or jump down from the tree, making them look clumsy. Sejak kecil, anak harimau sudah biasa memanjat pohon. Bahkan mereka juga belajar berburu primata. Cakar melengkung pada kucing besar membantu mereka untuk membawa mangsanya dan memanjat pohon dengan posisi kepala di depan. Akan tetapi, harimau akan mengalami kesulitan saat menuruni pohon. Oleh karena itu, harimau lebih memilih merangkak mundur atau melompat turun dari pohon. Tigers is a symbol of power and beauty. Of the 9 subspecies tiger, Siberian tiger is the largest, and they only can be found in Asia. Harimau adalah simbol kekuatan dan keindahan. Dari 9 jenis harimau, harimau Siberia adalah yang terbesar, dan mereka hanya bisa ditemukan di kawasan Asia. Tigers' habitat is generally in lush tropical jungles, but they have also adapted to a variety of environment, including wild river. Harimau hidup di hutan rimba, namun mampu beradaptasi dengan air, bahkan terbiasa dengan sungai-sungai besar. Tigers are good swimmer, unlike almost all other big cats. They enjoy bathing and often play in the water. Tigers have been known to swim up to 29 kilometers. It was once thought that the tigers swam from Java to Bali across the Bali Strait, which is only 2.4 kilometers wide, making it well within the swimming ability of the tiger. Jika dibandingkan dengan kucing besar lainnya, harimau adalah perenang handal. Harimau tercatat mampu berenang sejauh 29 km. Dengan kemampuan berenangnya, diperkirakan harimau berenang dari Jawa ke Bali, melewati Selat Bali yang lebarnya hanya 2,4 km. Tigers may drag their prey into the water to eat. They commonly seen in the shade or wading in the pool to cool off. Villager. Settle near the river, because water is very important source of life. Apart from river, the villager and tiger were competing for the same forest area. It makes the tiger lose their habitat and start to enter humans' area. Penduduk desa menetap di dekat sungai karena air adalah simbol kehidupan yang sangat penting. Disinilah penduduk desa dan harimau berlomba untuk mendapatkan wilayah hutan yang sama. Inilah yang menyebabkan harimau kehilangan habitatnya dan mulai memasuki wilayah penduduk.
Coba duduk adik sih. Adek no.
Sadly, tigers are still being hunted to extinction by poachers for their skins, bones, teeth, and claws, which are highly valued in traditional medicine. Most importantly, studies have shown that there is no scientific evidence that the tiger's spark are an effective remedy.
Ya, kasihan ditangkap. Boneka itu. Boneka.
These animals are rare and precious. We cannot kill them for our own purposes. Now it's the time for us to become more aware and help save these animals from extinction. Such was the belief of the villager towards the power and strength of goddess Durga. The villager learned to respect and live with the tiger. But alas, it was too late. The only remaining symbol of the Burmese tiger is now the Barong Macan.
Adek lihat itu loh. Depan.
Today, there are only around 200 wild tigers remaining in Sumatra, Indonesia. Many tigers have disappeared, including the Javan and Bali tiger. The survival of tiger is at risk, but with dedicated conservation effort, we can ensure they continue to thrive for the next generation. We must protect this majestic and regal creature. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in thanking our dedicated keepers and magnificent tigers, Second and Alexa. Taman Safari Indonesia is proud to be actively involved in tiger conservation. We successfully managed a rescue and release program in Sumatra, releasing 8 tigers to their natural habitat since 2008. We also managed a breeding program and a world-class Sumatran tiger genome resource bank. In 2013, Taman Safari Indonesia conducted the world's first artificial insemination of wild tigers, with the hope of saving the genetic diversity of these animals. We continue to work tirelessly with governments against tigers poaching and trafficking. Much more needs to be done to save this beautiful creature from extinction, so our next generation can still see them in the wild. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you have enjoyed learning more about the tigers today. Thank you very much. Have a great day.